Oh, baby, it's so nice to see you mouth to mouth, Sha.
Yeah, sure, it is.
You know, when you come back next time from South to see me, please bring me a Debonaires pizza.
A what?
A Debonaires pizza.
Debo what? Can you spell it?
Oh, never mind that one. You can bring me KFC.
Babe, what's KFC?
Don't be a baranzi, Sha. Don't you know that one with the hukumukati and the white sekuru on the card box?
Oh, you mean KFC?
Baby, it's not fair, that one. That is what I said, Ingawani. Why you always think I'm Lafishas?
Sorry, sweetheart. You know, your accent is too advanced for me. I'm just trying to understand you, that's all.
It's okay, baby. It's unemployed, Ajinabasa. I forgive your apologies. Actually, I was number 1 student in English back at primary school, Kwachkwaka. And so since you have a problem understanding me, maybe I should give you lessons in English, you know?